Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a hybrid Sudoku variant on our channel. So this Sudoku was constructed by Tenali Raman, and it was constructed for Valentine's Day 14th Feb. So as you can see, it's a really excellent theme here, a very big heart shape here as you can see here. It is really an excellent construction and it has been reviewed very good Sudoku. Only very few people have been able to solve this Sudoku. It's really a hard Sudoku. So one of the viewers' request was that I solve this Sudoku on the channel. So I'll try to cover this video. I'll try to solve this Sudoku as logical as possible, and let's see if we are able to crack this Sudoku. So there are three variants in this Sudoku. The first variant is the extra region. So as you can see here, all the color cells, there are exactly 9 color cells here. So different 9 color cells, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 extra regions here, and each of these will also have numbers from 1 to 9. That is the first hybrid variant here. There is first variant here. The second variant is the killer cage. So as you can see here, there are killer cages here, and each cage will have distinct digits, and if there is a sum given at the top left of a cage, then that has to be the sum of the digits inside the cage. That is what the second variant is here. And the third variant is the Kropke pair. So which means that whenever you have a white dot, right, the numbers between those two cells would have to be consecutive, and whenever you have a black dot, the numbers between those two cells will have to be half of it, like double or half, 1 by 2. So not all dots are given, right? So that is what is called consecutive Kropke pairs. When you have a pairs word inside the variant, that means that not all dots are given. So wherever the dots are given, those cells would have to be consecutive, and wherever the dots are not present, it can still be consecutive or not consecutive. It depends, right? So it may be or may not be. And with that, we'll start solving this Sudoku. So before going to the Sudoku, I would really suggest you to check out the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. It will really motivate us to cover videos on daily basis. And if at all you have a request for any Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, do let us know in the comment below and we'll surely make a video on it. And now coming on to the Sudoku. As you can see, there are no digits written here, and it will really be a difficult one. I feel so, a really difficult one, because there are no given digits here, and we can only get digits with the Kropke pairs or one of the cages here. Just one cage that has the number 14. So half of the grid has only a few dots here, and the other half has nothing in it. So let's see if we are able to crack this. So there are extra regions here. It seems to be really difficult on where to start this puzzle. It's really difficult because you don't have any particular constraint to start this puzzle with. So you can have this one as constraint. Sorry, I'll just okay, yeah. So okay, let's see if we are able to crack this now. So you have these 3 dots. So whenever there are 3 dots present, black dots I would say consecutively, there are 2 possible ways. There are 2 possible digits with 4 possible ways, right? So 1 2 4 or 2 4 8, and 1 2 4 can start from here or here, and 2 4 8 can start from here and here. So there are 4 possibilities for these black cells. I don't think so that will be very much helpful here. One thing I can say here is that these 4 digits plus this digit and these 4 digits will have to be extra region in itself, because as you can see, the first 2 rows, these are 9 blue digits, which is an extra region constraint. So the other 9 digits, which are these 4 cells, and this single cell, would have to be 1 to 9. So that is itself is not helping much. Okay, I can see something here is that this, I'll just mark that with the other color here. This is A. Whatever you have here will have to be in this box. In this box will have to be in this cell, because whatever you have here cannot be in any of these 3 cells, cannot be in any of these 5 red cells, because it is already present here as an extra region constraint. Then the only number you have here can only be here in this box, right? And extending further, any number you have in both of these cells would have to be here, because it cannot be in these three cells, it cannot be in these three cells, it cannot be in these two cells as well, because it is the same part of the cage. So a killer cage cannot have same digits, repeating digits. So there is only one place for this to go, and it has to be this cell, right? And same way, this is a symmetrical region here. So same way, whatever you have here would have to be here, would have to be here, right? So that's a really good start. But is that helping us? Okay, I think so, that is helping us. What and great logic, what a great logic. This is surely helping us, because what happens here is that these three digits, we had possibilities, two possibilities of numbers with four plus possibilities of placements, right? The possibilities of numbers are 1, 2 and 4, or 2, 4 and 8, right? So whatever digits you have here cannot be in the A, right? Because A is already seeing all these three digits, so cannot be an A. So which means that whatever digits you have here will have to be in one of these three, in these 5 red cells in this box. So in box 4, whatever you have here in these 3 cells would have to be in these 5 cells in box 4, right? Which means that will have to be in the 14 kg in box 1. So whatever you have here cannot be in these 3 cells, cannot be in the red cells, because you already have those digits in the box 4. That means that would have to be in the 14 kg. So the exact same 3 digits whatever you have here will have to be in the 14 kg, which means that there are two possibilities of number 1, 2 and 4, 2, 4 and 8. So can you have the sum 14 with any of the one possibility? Yes, it is 2, 4 and 8. 2, 4 and 8 sums 14, right? 1, 2 and 4 sums 7, which means that these 3 digits would have to be 2, 4 and 8. And the middle number would have to be 4. The upper and lower digits would have to be 2 and 8 in any order. So these 3 digits are 2, 4 and 8 in any order. Excellent start of the puzzle, guys. Excellent start. What an excellent start this is. Whoa, really awesome. So which means that using the symmetrical way, these 3 digits would have to be same where in these 3 digits. But we are not sure of it because there is no sum given here. So unlucky, unlucky as well, because there are no sum given here, or else would have been able to do that easily, right? So 3 consecutive digits in any order would sum to one of the distinct digits here, and the sum is not given here. So let's see if there is any other way to solve that. But it was an excellent start, guys, really an excellent start. And so let's see if we get anything else with this logic here. Okay, the way this Sudoku has been constructed, it is totally a different solve path, guys, totally a different solve path. So as we have earlier deduced, we forgot to see that. So if we have earlier deduced that these 4 digits plus this 1 digit and these 4 digits have to be distinct, have to be 1 to 9, right? So which means that, and we have already deduced using the logic here that these 3 digits would have to be these 3 digits, right? So which means that these 3 digits cannot have the numbers 2, 4 and 8. Superb. So which means that 3 consecutive digits excluding 2, 4 and 8 has only one possibility, that is 5, 6 and 7. Excellent logic, guys. So which means that these 3 digits and these 3 digits are same, which means this cannot be 2, 4, 8. So this would have to be 5, 6, 7 being consecutive. So which means that this would have to be 6, this would have to be 5 and 7 in any order. So these 3 digits are 5, 6 and 7. Excellent, guys. We did not need the sum of these 3 digits at all. So which means that the remaining 3 digits would have to be 1, 3 and 9. Wow, superb, excellent logic, guys. It was really difficult to see that, and really difficult to construct that. How the constructor would have thought of this logic, guys. Awesome. So let's see if we get anything else. We have placed 2 digits at least now, and now I think so this should be easy doable, right? So 4 consecutive digits excluding 5 is 6 and 7 should be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would have to be 1 and 4. This would have to be 2 and 3. Because it is either 1, 2, 3 or 4, or from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it can be anything, right? So which means that this 2, 3 would have to be this, and this 2, 3 would have to be this. Okay, that is fine. So these two digits would have to be 8 and 9 in any order again. The remaining two digits in this box, right? Okay. Anything else? Let's use the extra region constraint, guys. Something should be there with the extra region constraint, but I'm not sure how we'd be able to use that. And there seems to be something that we are missing here with the extra region constraint, maybe. Okay, so whatever digit you have here will be here. So where would that digit be in the pink region, right? The pink color region. So this digit and this digits are same, right? Which means that you cannot have that digit here in any of these three cells, any of these two cells, any of this cell. So it would have to be in one of these two cells, right? Or maybe yeah, okay, I'll just, okay, sorry. Okay, so I get here something, that is whatever you have here is already here, which means that that digit in the pink region can only be in one of these two cells, right? So which means that one of that digit is here, right? That digit and one of these two digits is same, right? Which means that you have a 2 3 pair in this row. Excellent. So one of the 2 3s will have to be in one of these two cells, the other 2 3 is here, right? Because of this and this digit being same, that digit will have to be in one of these two cells. So which means that you have a 2 3 pair in this row. One of the 2 3 is here and the other 2 3 will have to be in one of these two cells. So I will not mark that here. Maybe sorry, mark that with the border here. So one of the 2 3s will have to be here, or maybe let us just leave that here. Okay, so that means that you got a 2 3 pair in that row, and this cell would have to be 8 now. Excellent, superb, right? So this cell would have to be 8 and this is a 2 now. So you cannot get an 8 here in this region now. You already have an 8 here. So 8 would have to be in one of these three cells, right? Because it cannot be in the blue region, it cannot be in these two pink cells, right? Okay, something with the should be here, I'm not sure. So as you can see here, maybe this should be helpful. In row 8 already 2 even digits are used, right? And one of the even digits would have to be in these two cells. So it can either be 2 or 8. Can it be 1 2? Possible. It cannot be 2 and 3, because 2 and 3 will eliminate all the possibilities of this cell. So it can be 1 2, it cannot be 2 3, it cannot be 3 4, 4 5 not possible, 5 6 not possible, 6 7 not possible, 7 and 8 is possible, right? 7 and 8 is possible, 8 and 9 is not possible. So there are only two possibilities for this cell placed with 4 different placements, right? 1 and 2 in any order, or 7 and 8 in any order. Not much here. And 7 and 8 is not possible, right? Because 8 is already there in this region, so it has to be 1 and 2. Excellent. So it has to be 1 and 2. So this would have to be 3, this is 2, this is 1, and this is 4. Superb. Okay, so 1 and 2, 4. Okay, where can a 4 be in this blue region? A 4 cannot be in these three cells, 4 cannot be here. So 4 would have to be in one of these two cells. Okay, it can be anywhere. Nothing much here. So one of the 2 and 3s would have to be here. Okay, nothing much here. We are simply missing something, guys. There should be something out of the box, I'm sure, because Tenali Raman has constructed excellent Sudokus in the past, and all of his Sudokus were something different from every time that we have solved. Something different variant. or maybe the same variant, but something different logic is always applied in his Sudoku. So I am sure that something different would be in this Sudoku as well, because it is really an excellent construction. The till now where we have solved. Okay, maybe we have let us see this way, guys. There are 6 regions here in this Sudoku, right? Already given. So the other white cells, all of the white cells are completely 3 different regions. Superb, right? So 6 regions are already colored in this grid. So all the other white cells are exactly 27 cells, right? So 8 here, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 26, 27. There are exactly 27 white cells, and all of these 27 white cells would be 3 different regions. Is that helpful here? So let's see, this is 3, this would have to be again 3. So this is 3. That should be helpful, I think. So you have an 8 in one of these box, right? 8 is there in one of the white cells. Second 8 is there in one of this white cell. Third 8 cannot be here and here as well, because both of these are different, right? So which means that third 8 would have to be in one of these 2 cells only. There is no other way a third 8 can come. Excellent. So this is a really good way to progress here. So all of these digits would have to be appear exactly 3 times in the white cells, right? So 8 would have to be in one of these 2 cells. Okay. So 8 being in one of these 2 cells, this cell would have to be a 9. What an excellent way to progress through this Sudoku, guys. What an excellent way. So we eliminate 3 from here. It has to be 1 and 9. Okay. So same way, whatever digit you have here, 5 or 7, let us assume you have a 5 here. That 5 once would appear in this white region, once appear in this white region. So once it would have to be appearing in this one of these 2 cells. So the other way to see that is, excellent, whatever digits you have in these 2 cells would have to be in these 2 cells, right? So 8 is already here, and whatever digit you have here cannot be here, because there has to be 3 of those digits in white cells. So one would have to be in this, one is here, and the other would have to be this only. So which means that this would have to be 8, 5 and 7. So whatever digit you have here would have to be here, and you have an 8, 5, 7 triplet here. Excellent. So which means that the remaining 3 digits here in this row is 1, 3 and 6, right? And as you can see here, this is a 2, so one of the 3 would have to be here. We already deduced that 2, 3 and 2, 3 pair was here in one of these 2 cells, right? So now it is already a 2 here, so 3 would have to be in one of these 2 cells. So this would have to be a 6 now. So 1 and 3 is not possible. This would have to be a 6, and these 2 digits are 1 and 3 in any order. So this 6 gives you something here maybe. Now these 3 digits here are 1, 2, 4, 6, 3, 8. So 5, 7, 9 are the remaining here digits. And 5, 7, 9, right? 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9 and 5, 7, 9. So whatever you have here would have to be here 5, 7, 9, would have to be here 5, 7, 9, right? And is that helpful here? So it cannot, this cell cannot be a 3 now, because we knew that one of these 2 cells would have to be 3, and this cell cannot be a 3, so it would have to be this cell, and this cell cannot be a 9, because if it is a 9, this would have to be an 8, and you already have an 8 here. Superb. So these 2 cells are 4 and 6 in any order, right? No, sorry, 4 and 9 in any order. So this cannot be a 9, because then 8 would have to be here. So this cell would have to be a 9, this cell is a 4, and because with the 4 here you get a 5 here, so you eliminate 5 from these 2 cells. So this would have to be 8, 7, 8, 7. So this is a 5 now. Excellent. So this is a 7 now. What an excellent construction this is. So this 5 eliminates 5 from here, and this would have to be a 7, 9, 7, 9. So this is a 7, 9, and this is a 7, 9 now. And these 2 digits are 5 and 9, right? Oh, sorry, 5 and 6. 5 and 6 in these 2 digits. So Superb construction, guys. So now the blue region has only one way where the 4 can go, and it is already written as a pencil mark here. So we have 6 digits in this blue region. So the other 3 digits are 3, 5 and 7, right? Let us mark that here. 3, 5, 7. Sorry. 3, 5, 7 and 3, 5, 7. So that eliminates 7 from here, and this cell would have to be a 9. So that gives you a 9 here and a 9 here. That gives you a 7 here. Excellent. So that 9 eliminates 9 from here. This is a 1, 3 now. And this 3 eliminates a 3 from here. So this is a 1, 9 now. So 1, 9 and 1, 9. So this would have to be a 3 now. These 9 cells are distinct, right? So you get a 1, 9 pair on this cells. So this would have to be a 3. What an excellent construction, guys. This becomes 1. This becomes 3. See the way the Sudoku is flowing. Excellent. From bottom to top. It's an excellent construction, guys. Excellent construction. Hats off to the solver. I mean to say the constructor. And 2 digits are remaining. These 2 cells. So this would have to be 1 and 6, right? So these 2 cells would have to be again 5 and 7. And you already have a 7 here. So this cell would have to be 5. This would have to be a 7. So this 5 gives you a 6 here and a 5 here. Okay. We are done till now. So let's see this pink region now. There are 4 cells already written in this pink region. And 6 would have to be in a pink region. Cannot be in these 3 cells. Cannot be here. So this would have to be a 6. And the remaining 4 digits are 1, 2, 8 and 9. Right. So this cannot be a 1 because this would have to be a 2, not possible. This cannot be a 2 as well because this would have to be a 1 again. This cannot be a 3. So again not possible. This cannot be a 9. So this would have to be an 8. 8 and 1 to 9 in these 3 cells, right? So 1 to 9 and 1 to 9. So the 8 here would give you a 7 and 9 here. Okay. And you have only 2 cells remaining here in this column. So this the cells would have to be 4 and 8, right? So 4 and 8. Okay. It's really a very smooth solve path. Okay. That 4 and 8 gives you something here. Oh, excellent. So as you can see the yellow region here, all the 3 digits 4, 8 and 6 cannot be in these 6 cells, so would have to be here in these 3 cells. So whatever you have, these 3 digits would have to be these 3 digits, right? And 6 cannot be here, so 6 would have to be only here, cannot be in these 2 cells. Next the 8 would have to be here and 4 would have to be here. Simple, excellent. It's such a simple way to see the Sudoku, right? Such a simple way. And these 2 digits are 1 and 2 in any order, right? So these are 2 here, so this would have to be a 1 here. And this would have to be a 2, and this one gives you a 9 here and gives you a 1 here. That one gives you a 2 here and a 1 here. And this 8 gives you a 7 here and 8 here. I think so this Sudoku should be doable now. Very, 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 very excellent Sudoku. It couldn't have been a better one, man. Really. So this is a 6, this is a 1. This 6 gives you a 6 here. And remove 6 from these 2 cells. And so you see here, this is an odd cell, right? And the consecutive cell would have to be an even digit. So you already have a 6 here, 4 here and 8 here. So the only even digit is 2 here. That means this would have to be 3 and this would have to be a 4. Superb. So this 4, does it gives us anything? This would have to be 5 and 7, nothing much. Okay. This is a 5 and 7. 5, 7. And this is 2, 8. So okay, this is 5, 7 again, 5, 7 and 5, 7. So 5, 7 and 4, right? 4, 5 and 7. So a 4 can only be here now. And these digits would have to be 5, 7 again. So the 2 eliminates 2 from here. So this would have to be a 1 and 9. 1, 2, 4, 8, right? So 1 would have to be in one of these 2 cells. Again 1 would have to be in one of these 2 cells. So 1 in row 6 can only go to one place, that is this cell, right? Cannot have a 1 here. no 1 year and no 1 year. So 1, that gives you a 9 year, that gives you a 2 year, that gives you a 7 year. Excellent. That gives you a 5 year, 7 year and a 5 year. And now these 3 digits would have to be 6, 7 and 8, right? So 6 and 8 are here 7, and 6 and 8 would have to be here. So this is 5, this is 7 and this is 2. That gives you an 8 here, a 4 here, a 8 here, that gives you a 2 here and a 4 here. Excellent. So these 3 digits are 1, 6 and 8. 6 would have to be here, 1 and 8 in any order, 6 and 8 in any order. Okay, these 2 digits would have to be 9 and 3, right? So this would have to be 3, this would have to be 9. This 9 gives you a 9 here, and that these 3 digits are 1, 5 and 8. So this would have to be 5. Okay, sorry, 1, 5 and 3. So this would have to be 5, this would have to be 1 and 3. So this is 1, this is 3. That gives you a 1 and 8 here. That gives you an 8 and a 6 here. Superb. And these 3 digits are 2, 5 and 7. So this would have to be 7, this is 5 and this is 2. And with that we complete this gorgeous Valentine Day Sudoku. What an excellent Sudoku this was. It was really an excellent Sudoku, and this Sudoku was constructed for someone special by Tenali Raman. And it is really an excellent Sudoku. What a gift, I would say. This would have to be a precious gift, an excellent gift, I would say. Really enjoyed solving this Sudoku. I hope you enjoyed this Sudoku. This was an excellent construction. I'll add the link in the description below where the Sudoku was posted on LMD. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.